Alrighty guys, so I'm here at NTR Offroad Park today for mud disruption, man, and I was coming through the pasture and this dude come whipping some donuts like mad, and I'm like, this is a pretty cool looking little slab he's got here. And so I had to catch up with Joe. Joe, how are you, buddy?
Good.
Good, thanks for coming out to mud disruption this weekend. This thing is a pretty sweet little Jeep. This is not your typical Jeep that you got going here. So you gave me a little bit of backstory on it. It's a 08, right?
08 model.
Okay,
yep.
Cool. So you found an 08. Kind of give me a little backstory on how you acquired this thing.
I found a 08 high mileage Jeep in San Antonio,
yep.
Two-wheel drive. I knew I wanted the shell for a project.
Right. It's tough to find these Jeeps, man. They're so super proud of them, so it's hard to find one. So
yep.
you just got a high mileage two-wheel drive.
Yep.
And
high mileage two-wheel drive. Started out with that.
Cool.
Picked up a LQ960 Escalade motor. I built a few in the past, and I knew what I wanted this round. So started out with a 6.0. Had a 4L80E built, NP241 transfer case. Ford Super Duty axles. They're kind of the toughest, the Dana 60 and the Sterling axles. Sure. Picked up some 42 TSLs and PSC full hydro steering. Got it all together. And
you got that like on a 3-link setup, huh?
3-link front, 4-link rear.
Cool. I love that, dude. And it's, I mean, you've got it fully shielded. I mean, the suspension, you told me you got how many inches of travel? That's a pretty good.
12 inches front, 10 inch back.
Dude, so articulation's there, and plus it's just a beautiful overall rig. You got the TSLs, and you were, like I said, you were whipping them like they were 33s, dude. So yep. The V8 swap, definitely with the gearing you got in here. What is it?
538 gears.
538s. I mean, you've literally got the power to ground transfer completely nailed, dude. And then plus you're telling me you're driving it like it's drivable on the street, huh?
It's good to go to town, be street legal, and do all kind of rig.
No, I'm super proud of you. And we took it down the creek a minute ago, and you never rolled the tire. I mean, I guess it's fully locked.
Fully locked, yep. Yukon gears and lockers.
Yeah, incredible, dude. Well, cool, brother. Man, I appreciate this. You're telling me that this is a functional vehicle. Y'all take it to the river, you do stuff with it, right?
Yep. Go boat fishing with it. Pull a boat to the river. Run to town, get gas. Go to eat. Take short trips here and there. Yeah. Run 65 all day long without any issues.
Yeah, and the cool functional aspect of this is the carrying capacity. That was the big thing. You guys were tired of not having seat space. So you got the fuel cell, you got the cooler, you still got full seating. Yep,
I've got a 19-gallon RCI fuel cell in the back. I've had a few TJs, probably 6 or 8 of those, and they was all built, and I wanted a 4-door JK with room for ice chest, room for the fuel cell, room for 4 people. That was a big thing for me, and that's the reason I sold the TJ to build a JK.
And you nailed it, brother. So, I mean, this is literally the epitome of functionality and performance.
Yep, so it's a do-it-all rig, and everything's good in all areas.
Yeah, so. Cool. You plan on keeping this for a minute?
Yeah, I plan on keeping it.
Yeah,
I do a lot of hunting and live the country life, so that's kind of I drive it every day. So.
Yeah. Good job, man. Well, good. I'm so glad to be able to catch up with you guys this weekend. This is really a privilege to be able to see this thing in action. So, thank y'all for coming out, and dude, I appreciate y'all taking us wheeling, man. Y'all know how to wheel right, so this is fun time. So, cool, man. Well, I look forward to catching up with y'all at Rednecks, right?
Yep. See you
cool.
Rednecks.
Rednecks with paychecks.
They built the same. I was out running Can-Am Maverick X3s out here last time in my TJ, just built the same, So it'll outrun the fastest side-by-side out there on a straightaway.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
You just play Jeep or?
Yeah, I live about 10 miles east here. So. Drive to town once in a while and run around the ranch with it.
I first seen you turn down, I was like, oh shit, you better flip that thing.
Looked like it was gonna flip.
I thought that too. I was like, ooh, he's whipping it hard.
It's like this.
I was on the front brakes, I kind of kept the front stationary,
Find out.
It was definitely set like this going, I was like, whoo. As long as you don't let out, I guess it's alright, huh?
Yeah. As long as you keep sliding.
Just waiting for that catch to just.
If you love XXX YouTube videos, but you just hate the ads, if you guys want to see the latest XXX YouTube content before all your buddies, if you want the best deals on the products and apparel that you guys love, then you need to be a XXX VIP. Just $19.95 a month, you get everything above, plus you get a distinguished XXX VIP pack. Just visit XXXmotorsports.com, get everything that you need right there.